And so what happened to you?
Oh, I don't know. I just get a lot of neck pain and shoulder pain and headaches. And
You got it right now?
Yeah.
Okay. Can we pray for you right now?
Yeah.
Now, can we just reach out and pray? Now, when I pray, just relax. Don't have to pray. Just let God touch you. Lord, just right now, no more headaches or neck pain right now. No cracking. Move it around. Free, 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 free. How's that going?
it's still cracking.
But the pain's gone. Wow. And at a 1 to 10, how bad was the pain before prayer?
Oh, about 7.
Is it gone now? Just use your hand. Hey, God, where's it cracking exactly? Then the bottom, look, let it, for the bottom right now, the base of the neck, even though it's stopped cracking now.
Yes, Jesus.
Just move it around now. More, free, free, free. Any change in the cracking? Is it gone now? Give a lot of hand, everybody. God bless you.
Yeah, he heals the lame.